You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, and this is gonna amaze you maybe if you want to learn more names from Gaelic or Irish names that are very confusing. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The L is how it's pronounced, so essentially ignore the A, L and the Z in the middle of the word. Ignores those three letters and you can just pronounce the D-I-E-L. DL is how you want to pronounce it. I know it doesn't make a ton of sense if you know with the English spelling, but from Irish Gaelic it does. DL, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.